Start recording. Come. Here he comes.
All right, plenty of time, Gino. Plenty of time. Okay, make sure your loading hand.
It's clean.
Clean off your hand.
Clean off your
loading hand. Clean off your loading hand.
That's not his loading hand. That's his shooting hand.
Okay.
Put it on right. You had it right.
You got plenty of time.
You had it on right. You got it back. Okay, you're good.
You got 30 seconds.
Yeah! Woo! Go get him!
Whoa! There you go. Hit! Oh, nice. Hit!
Matter.
You got rounds in there. Okay.
Go.
Hit!
Load!
There you go. Just stand right here and load. You're good.
Stay out there.
It's your bald cypress.
Yeah, nice.
Load him up. 3, 4, 5. One more. Go! Watch your footing, watch your footing. Okay, shoot! Go! Shoot! To your left.
One more bad guy right there over the top. You see him? Okay, now reload.
Reload, throw off your side saddle. Jam it in there. Side saddle. 1.
4. Doing good, Gino.
2. Ram them motherfuckers in there. 3. Go. That should be enough. Go.
Nice hit. Gun up. On your right. You're right. There you go. Okay. Into the water. I'm right behind you.
Get in there. That's it.
Good position.
Shoot it. Shoot.
Okay. Nice job. You're clear. Okay, I got the gun. Okay, there's a round in there.
All right, I got it.
Give me a time.
139.30. 139er.30.
Thank you.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Nice job.
This one.
Give us a smile.
Hey, Dad, get over there for a picture.
Holy shit, it's empty.
Oh, nice.
It's perfect.
Well, here, get over there, Dad. We'll get a picture here.
What the hell is that?
Here, hold your gun.
Muzzle. All right, who's got a camera here?
Okay.
We need like a. This is.
He's got it.
Oh, we got video.
There's a button in the middle. That's a camera, too.
Okay.
So stop
The
it.
top. Or the zoom.